According to OSHA, the lack of machine guarding is among the most common violations. Proper guarding helps prevent workplace injuries, accidents, and fines. With the 80/20 aluminum building system, you're able to construct a modular and durable machine guard that can be customized to fit any cell or work area. There are a variety of panel and profile options to make a machine guard that suits your work area. The T-slot framing allows for integration of multiple safety devices, such as sensors, lights, cameras, and alarms. Protect your people, equipment, and resources by building a secure and customizable machine guard. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started. Wasting too much time searching for specific items can hinder workflow and lower productivity. The solution? Customizable workstations, which can be implemented to reduce waste, optimize floor space, and improve work performance. We offer 80/20 profiles and parts, a versatile and modular line of products that provides opportunities for endless ergonomic configurations. Building with aluminum T-slot profiles allows for workstations to be tailored to precise needs of the user. You can easily add organizational components and casters for mobility. You can even create a pressure manifold in the T-slot channel and use a single hose to pressurize the entire frame. Adjusting the height or switching out storage bins and tools can be quickly and easily accomplished. Promote organization and optimize work performance with a customizable modular workstation. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started. Robotic components are often integrated into the workplace to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks in order to increase production in less time. With 80/20 products, you can build a lightweight, durable solution that provides adjustability and structural integrity. You can easily mount wires, cords, and other electrical components to their precise locations on the T-slot profiles. Create any robotic solution by integrating framing for robotic components, custom enclosures, end-of-arm tooling support, and more. Decrease cycle times and increase safety by building a strong, durable robotic solution. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started. Everyone wants to build something. Learn how to with 80/20's aluminum T-slot profiles. With the gurney demonstration, you have the opportunity to get hands-on with 80/20 products. You'll learn about various selections of profiles, fasteners, panels, and linear motion solutions available to you. The T-slot design allows for room for adjustability for all of your projects, so you can build and reconfigure your application as your needs change. This hands-on opportunity gives you the time to get familiar with 80/20 products and discover uses for different profiles and parts in your own builds. If you have an idea for a custom build, we have a custom solution for you. So let's build it today. A typical day in the office involves spending most of the day sitting or standing, which can result in bad posture and discomfort. By customizing office solutions with 80/20 products, you can build ergonomic applications that allow for neutral posture and increased comfort, which boosts productivity. Create a custom desk, cubicle partitions, message boards, and so much more. Build your office solution with the durable and lightweight aluminum profiles and scratch concealing panels. You can even build artistic structures to add texture to your office space, construct a staircase, or build a table. Improve productivity with ergonomic and contemporary office solutions. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started.